How you doing, sir? Doing well, doing well. Thanks for asking. This is the car. Otar, nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
No problem, my pleasure. So I'll cut the key, program it in, that's all. Alright. Okay, we are working on 2020 Subaru.
Roughly, how long is it going to take you?
It takes around half hour, maximum 40 minutes.
Well, I'll leave you about 10 minutes to finish.
Oh, okay, no problem. Yeah, do you think? No problem. Show you. So 2022 Legacy. This is the key which works. And okay. And we will try to program this one. You see, like the doors. Let's close it. Okay. Please learn the key against the ignition. Okay, key has been set for them. Let's press OK. Let's turn it off. Smart key additional completed. Locks, unlocks, locks, unlocks. Perfect. Okay, that's right. Locked. Unlocked. Let's put the old key here. Okay, opens. Okay, let's go in. All done. Key's cut.